Okay, so I've got these sinks. I've been moving some things around in my miniature salon. I love it. But I'm about to attempt to do some plumbing. Now, my phone's plugged in, so I can't really go far. Here I am. I've literally just launched another business. I don't think you can see it, New Ethos Nottingham, which is a hostel. I love it, love it, love it. I used to do it as a living, as my 9 to 5, and now I'm running one alongside doing all this. So I need to crack on because we've got these lovely sinks in the lovely oasis area. Yes, as you can see. So I'm going to come back in a minute because the shower that I've got is an off-grid camping outdoor shower, and it runs off colour gas and two big batteries which I've got. So I'm meant to start this early, but the time's just flown, so I'm going to have a test drive in a minute. I haven't even put it together yet, so I'm going to let the phone charge for a bit and I'll come back and put it together. Okay, so this is the Camplux Enjoy Outdoor Life. Instructions. Bits and bobs. This is the shower itself, which connects to the colour gas, which is over in that corner there. Okay. Right then, I'm going to need 2 hands, so I'll see you in a minute. Right, so sorry, the phone's been charging, so I haven't been recording, but this is the instant water heater. I just have to connect all the bits and pieces. So I can put it up, take it down, move it, put it somewhere else. I've got it on like temporary wires. Fingers crossed this is okay. Obviously I'm going to be testing this before it's used, but yeah, let's see. Okay, so I think this is the shower head. When you're doing it all yourself with no stand. So we've got some instructions. This would be for screwing it up, putting it up. This is for the gas. This is the gas inlet. This is the shower head, and got cold taps, but I've bought my own bits because I watched a video and they were saying that those bits weren't very good, so fingers crossed these are all good. I've also got a hose pipe and tightener. I've bought a miniature pump. But this is to put water, the wastewater, not the water to the shower, which I haven't bought because I'm connecting from the house. So that's the pump for the wastewater. This is an extra shower head. I've got 2 sinks. Not sure how that's going to work, but yeah, let me get this open. This is the shower head that's come with it. I thought I might have got a chrome one. Got an on-off button, a holder, the hose pipe for it. Thing is, I've got a pretty long one there, so I might connect that instead. but with this shower head as it has the off on. So let's see. Right, back in MO. I may have like the incorrect hose. Oh, hold on a second, because this is just crazy trying to do this with one hand. I'm not turning it on yet. But it is on. So because I don't think I've got the correct attachment for the water inlet, well in fact I know I haven't. I've got my hose pipe, which next to the house because I'm going to use this water and pump it to the shower and then warm up the water as it goes along and then to go. Not using that shower head though, but using this one. Okay, so let's see how this turns out. I don't think I'm going to fill it up too much to trial it, but let's see how it goes. This is a new hose pipe. I love it. Magic size. Got different settings on it. See, there's many different settings. It's amazing. I'll show you in a minute how it works. I love it. I've needed 2 hands for this, but I've picked up my little pump, connected one end of the hose to it, plugged it in, and I've tested it. It actually does pump the water out. It's not very strong though, but it does pump the clean water out at the end here. So I'm gonna put this attachment on to here and then attach that last bit. Fingers crossed that works. Oh yeah, and I'm going to be using this to tighten. There we go. This little thing to tighten onto this hose right here. Sorry guys. So this goes on here like that, and then this goes onto the hose. I've got no stand, I've got nothing to hold the phone separate with, so it's a bit awkward, but I just wanted to show you what I'm doing. So I'll be back again. Excuse all that mess. So here it is. I just need to tighten this on. It was hard to get this hose onto there. Oh my goodness, really hard. So I'm gonna tighten this on by screwing this and then attach it after that. Right, so this says under there, it says water inlet. So this is not easy. I'm gonna need to use 2 hands. I'll be back. I have a visitor, a little kitty cat. Frightened me when he jumped up on the gate, so I've given up for now. I'm going to check it back out tomorrow and see how we go. See ya. Good night. It's the next day. I'm back in. I'm about to quickly tidy up before my client arrives. I need to contact the gas company I got this from because of this connection does not fit. I've managed to get water to come through the shower head from my bucket of clean water down there. Yeah, so that works, but I still might try and get another connection for the hose over there to connect from the house straight to the heater, and then it will be good to go. The batteries are in. Yeah, that's it. I'll be able to just get on and wash here. I just need another tub for the wastewater and another pump to pump the wastewater out of it down the drain. So yeah, that's where I'm at. So let's get tidying all this. Well, I just need to put everything away. Do you know what I mean? Good to go. Okay, so it turns out that I have got the wrong gas canister, which is why this isn't connecting. It turns out that this is propane when it focuses, but maybe not. Yeah, propane. And this is butane. So tomorrow they're going to be bringing me a new canister. Then I've got this attachment that I bought from Amazon yesterday. I'm just tightening that on because that's going to be my flue. The flue is going to point to outside the door so that it doesn't get too hot in here, or it doesn't cause damage basically. So that's where we're at today. Ooh, so it is day 3. This is the day when I am getting my propane gas canister delivered. Yeah, so I should be able to, I've got all these things to move yet. Working in small space here. So I should be able to use my hot water system, which is here. This arrived the other day, I think you saw it. So this is my flute, my vent. I'll just stretch that to outside the door. Yeah. So yeah. Oh sugar, look, I'm dropping things. So I'll be back again when, fingers crossed, yeah, the propane comes, and see if I can start using my Libat sinks, my backwashers. I've got bits in them at the minute, but I've been going in the house to wash hair. You might have seen a couple of videos where I've washed someone's hair, but it's a bit awkward because it's in the bathroom. But my little oasis area, we'll be washing hair here. Okay, so my son's painted the outside of the salon. A little bit messy, but he's done a good job. Let me show you what it looked like before. So it looked like that before. That's the part he hasn't finished off yet. So he's painting it all black. It's been raining, so it's had to get left along the top. It just gives it a neater look. So that's where the salon is. Eventually we'll be coming in through the front, which is for the front of the garage, which, because the salon's just dressed at the moment, it's not fully done, we're doing it in stages. So this is what the wood looked like before. So this part needs to get painted black as well. There's the garage door. This is covered. You don't see this on the other side. It looks like this. Let me show you real quick. Like that. I know I've got lots of stuff in here, but I've got this area as storage. Don't judge. Everything's just chucked in. The insulation and everything we need to finish off in here. Well, not everything. Most of it is in here. As you can see, we've blocked up along the very top. Oh, my client's here. One sec. Quick update on the gas. So it turns out they're not able to drop the gas off to me. I have to go to them. They closed at 5. It's now 8 o'clock at night. I knew I wasn't going to get to them today. I'm possibly not going to get to them tomorrow. I'm going to try. They open at 7:30, but my first client's at 8 tomorrow. So I'm going to try and get there by 7:30 so that I can swap my Caligas, which is butane, for the propane one and bring it back, because I want to be able to get this whole setup, this whole water system working this weekend. Sunday would be perfect, but the place is shut on Sunday, so I have to go today. So just to let you know that this particular video, I'm going to end it here and we'll start a whole new one. So there'll be a part 2 from tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to get this all put together and upload it. So thank you for watching so far. Please like and subscribe. I mostly do shorts on the House of Shayaa channel, but I just wanted to show the movement with getting the water system going in my garage salon. Okay, so see you guys later. Thanks for watching. In a bizzle.